Hi everyone, welcome back to Shireen's Art Corner. Today I'm going to share with you how I create these cute little pomegranate earrings using alcohol inks and wood. So here are the things you need. Okay guys, we're going to need some pliers, and then also I have this kit that I got to create earrings. I'm going to need alcohol inks today. I'm going to use cranberry and poppy and some white paint, Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, washi tape and wire, and some popsicle sticks, the wide one preferably, and Swarovski crystals that I picked up at Michael's, and a heat gun, and then some wood pieces. And here I have some wood pieces cut out on laser in the shape of pomegranate, and here I have a few that I've already painted on both sides with white paint. Guys, I'm going to show you how I paint these wood pieces. I'm using Testor's white acrylic paint, but you can easily use any kind of acrylic paint, or even just spray paint them with white flat paint or glossy paint. It really doesn't matter as long as you have good coverage. Here I got some paint over the hole, the earring hole, so I just used the wire to poke the hole back, and I'm going to set that aside to dry. And now I'm going to show you how I apply the washi tape onto the popsicle sticks, and I apply it sticky side up, and the reason for that is so that I can stick these pieces onto the popsicle sticks, and this is easier for me to handle, and then I can do more than one piece at a time. It's really helpful in kind of doing these smaller pieces and avoid getting alcohol inks on your hand as well. And so now I'm going to alternate the alcohol ink colors on each piece, and then use the heat gun to kind of swirl around those colors and get really cool designs on these pieces. The pieces that are thicker are going to take a little bit longer to dry, even though alcohol inks usually take it doesn't take long for them to dry, but since we are kind of overlapping and moving these colors around, there are going to be some layers that are thicker, and so it takes a few hours for these to dry. You want to set these aside, and once it's dry, do the same thing on the other side, is apply the washi tape again, and then put the pomegranates back on the other side of the pieces, whichever shape you have, and then do the other side. And so yeah, I've got a couple more that I'm going to be doing, and then we can get on to the next step. Alright, so these have been drying for a couple of hours now, so they're completely dry. You just want to touch with your finger to make sure there's no sticky side or sticky parts of that piece. And now you're going to add the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. You can also use your diamond glaze if you have that. And if you get the Mod Podge in that hole, you can again use that wire to kind of remove some of that Mod Podge. I'm going to use some tweezers to get these Swarovski crystals in place and set them in to the dimensional magic. And I'm going to do the other one as well. And here I'm just using a stick to show that you don't have to hold the pieces, but you can use the popsicle stick again to help with handling these wood pieces. Again, I'm going to add the crystals, and now these are hot fix crystals, but I guess it doesn't really matter because they're going to be set in the glue. And so any kind of crystal that you have would work, and I used the red ones for my project. So these pieces have been drying overnight now, and so now I'm going to add the dimensional magic to the other side of the piece so that it's glossy on both sides. And then also you can take some of the dimensional magic and kind of go over the edges of the piece as well, and to give it a nice seal. I'm not going to add any crystals on the back side, so they're only going to be on the front side of this piece, so you don't have to add them if you don't want to. Again, I'm not going to let these dry for overnight. I'm just going to keep these and for a couple of hours to dry before I add the earring hoops and hooks. Alright guys, so here they are. This is the pomegranate wood pieces with the Mod Podge on both sides, and it's completely dry. So now we can start adding the hoops and the hook to make earrings. Alright guys, so these earring hooks and hoops I found on Amazon. I'll leave a link below. It's an affiliate link to Amazon to this product. So you guys can see the product that I purchased, and if you guys are interested, you guys can buy it on Amazon as well. I'm using the gold one here because I think the red and the gold go really well together. I'm doing the larger hoop first, and then I'm going to add the smaller hoop and then the hook on top just to give it a little bit extra length. But you know, you can add as many hoops as I guess as you like to make the earring length a little bit longer, but I'm going to just use these two hoops here and then use the plier to set everything. And there it is. And now on to the second one. Okay guys, here's a close-up of these earrings. I hope you like this project. If you like my video, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.